Hello students, in this video we are going to cover HSC English question bank. This is part 5 and this will have question bank solution for novel section 4.4. Name of the novel is The Sign of Four. Okay. I have already covered up solution to question bank for prose section, then for poetry section I have covered. Okay. Then novel section में for 4.1, 4.2, 4.3 I have already covered. Now only thing is pending is sign of four. एक नॉवल का क्वेश्चन आंसर्स बाकी है अभी. अगेन लेट मी रिमाइंड यू 4.1 में से यू विल गेट 4 मार्क्स का एक्टिविटी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. ओके, बाकी जो है 4.2, 4.3, 4.4 ये तीनों नावल की स्टोरी में से मेमोरी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन विल बी आस्क्ड. अगेन 4 मार्क्स 4 मार्क्स 4 मार्क्स. तो ये जो तीनों नावल है अच्छे से आपको समझना है, स्टोरी समझनी है, बिकॉज पैसेज विल नॉट बी गिवन टू यू, यू हैव टू टोटली मेमोराइज क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. तो अगर आपको स्टोरी पता होगी तो यू विल बी एबल टू राइट आंसर्स. सो फॉर दिस ऑल्सो आई हैव गिवन एक्सप्लेनेशन सेपरेटली. यू कैन विजिट माई यूट्यूब चैनल and there you will find explanation to these novels along with the question bank. So in today's video we are going to cover up sign of four question bank solution. But before attempting to question answers, I will suggest that you listen to my video on the explanation part of this novel. If you don't get it, I will provide it for your ready reference. See the description box, I will give you the link for this explanation part for sign of four novel. Also, if you find my videos useful, you can share it with your friends, press the like button. You can visit my YouTube channel Learn with BS for English videos on English grammar, writing skill, English speaking and academic English also. So let's begin with the question bank solution. Novel section, The Sign of Four. Answer in about 50 words to the question given below. Now 2 questions will be asked, 2 marks ka, to at least 5-6 lines you have to write for each question. I have tried to fit the answer here only, so I have given the points. I will give you the total answers how it is to be written, but here because of the shortage of the space I have given it in point form. You have to write it in 4-5 lines. The reception of 6 pearls helps the story to move forward by providing some connection with the other happenings. Illustrate. अभी ये जो था शर्लॉक होम्स का स्टोरी द साइन ऑफ फोर. आई होप यू आर सीइंग दिस आफ्टर माई एक्सप्लेनेशन पार्ट. प्लीज सी द एक्सप्लेनेशन पार्ट, अदरवाइज यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. अभी ये जो था नावल बाय शर्लॉक होम्स, तो मैरी मॉडसन गोज टू शर्लॉक होम्स विद द केस मिस्ट्री. उसके डैड मिसिंग थे. ओके, तो देन शी गोज देयर विद द 6 पर्ल्स. शी टेल्स दैट आई हैव गॉट दैट 6 पर्ल्स. तो उससे क्या होता है कि कनेक्शन मिलता है. कैसे? Because every year she used to get a letter, every year she used to get a pearl, but this time along with the pearl she got a letter, and in the letter it was written that you will get the information about your father. She did not know about the whereabouts of her father, so that letter said that she will get the details of her father. So she goes to the Sherlock Holmes and Sherlock Holmes detects from that those pearls में से, handwriting में से, letter में से, whatever she had said over to Sherlock Holmes, he comes about the other things, so it has connection with the other happenings. Okay. Describe the desired destination of parties in your own words, in your words by providing some details. अभी जब भी मैरी मॉडसन शर्लॉक होम्स के पास जाती है, so she shows the letter that she has been called near the Lyceum Theatre, but when all trio, Sherlock Holmes, Watson and Mary go to that Lyceum Theatre, so there they are guided to by a coachman to some other place. Again when they reach that person's house, he was a Thaddeus Sholto, but he is Major Sholto's son, and then again he takes them to his brother's place, Bartholomew. So then again after going there they get the clue that people, those who had killed Bartholomew, they have gone towards the Thames River. So like one destination में से दूसरे, एक पार्टी से दूसरे पार्टी के ऊपर वो जाते ही जा रहे हैं. So they get clue. Write the character sketch of Sherlock Holmes as a professional detective. Now how do you know Sherlock Holmes was a professional detective? How do you find out? He was a professional detective. He was very sharp. He had solved so many cases with his skills. Like he had rational thinking, he had logical thinking, he had good observation, judgment, quick to some decision. With his experience, he was quite skillful in his profession. कंपेयर द थॉट प्रोसेस ऑफ होम्स एंड डॉक्टर वॉटसन इन हैंडलिंग द केस। अभी जो डॉक्टर वॉटसन, ही वॉज हिज असिस्टेंट, किसका, शर्लॉक होम्स का। सो ऑलवेज ही यूज्ड टू अकम्पनी शर्लॉक होम्स इन सॉल्विंग द डिटेक्टिव cases, but it was observed that Sherlock Holmes, he was very sharp, he had logical thinking, he had rational thinking, very good observation power he had. But whereas many a times it was observed that Dr. Watson, he was a bit slow, he couldn't understand, he used to say, no, I don't understand, I don't find this. So he was not as quick, as sharp as Dr. Holmes was. He was a bit slow. Okay. Narrate the case of Miss Watson in your words. Now you have to tell the story of Miss Watson. Mary Watson, she was confused. Why? Because she was getting pearls, she was getting letter also, and she got the letter from his father once that he will be coming to London from India when wherever she was called, the place where she was called, when she goes, she sees that her father was not there. Then she gets a clue, she gets a letter, in that it was written sign of 4. So again she was confused. Then she goes to her father's friend Major Sholto, but again he did not know about the whereabouts. Then suddenly she starts getting pearls, then she starts getting letter which says that she will come to know about the whereabouts his father if she comes to meet him. So like this case was quite confusing. Sherlock Holmes deduced facts from the back files of the Times, justify by providing few details. अभी शर्लॉक होम्स को जैसे ही केस मिला था मैरी मॉटसन का, तो उन्होंने क्या किया था कि ही गॉट द इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम पास्ट न्यूज़पेपर, क्योंकि उसको मैरी ने उसको बताया कि न्यूज़पेपर में एक ऐड आया था, इन दैट इट वाज रिटन मैरी मॉटसन का एड्रेस चाहिए, तो शी हैड सेंट इट. तो ही टेक्स द न्यूज़पेपर ऑफ past few years and he observed that Major Sholto died, which was 4 years after Mary's father died. तो she had started getting pearls, उसके बाद ही उसको मिलने लगा था, तो that means it has relation with Major Sholto's death. So like this वो न्यूज़पेपर में से भी पास्ट का कनेक्शन लेता है, ये करता है, तो he was quite good at things, detecting the things. You are a wronged woman and shall have justice. Interpret the statement to highlight the conflict in Miss Motson's mind. Abhi Mary Motson had got a letter which said that if you want to know the whereabouts of your father, you come to the Lyceum Theatre, required location she was on, and there it was written कि you are a wronged man and you should have the justice. So that means it said like कि तुम्हारे जो डैड है, he wanted to tell कि उसको treasure मिला था and you are the legal heir, but you don't even know about the treasure, you don't even know that your father is no more, so you are a wronged man. तुम्हारे साथ injustice हुआ है, तुमको justice मिलना चाहिए, बेइंसाफी हुई है, ऐसे उसको लेटर मिला था. Dr. Watson reflects Miss Motson's state of mind. Discuss with some examples. अभी डॉक्टर वॉटसन कौन थे? ही वॉज असिस्टेंट ऑफ शर्लॉक होम्स. उन्होंने क्या देखा? मैरी का स्टेट ऑफ माइंड पढ़ा. तो क्या हुआ? मैरी गॉट इन्फॉर्मेशन दैट हर फादर इज कमिंग टू लंडन ऑन 6 months लीव, बट शी डिडंट फाइंड हर फादर वेयर शी वॉज कॉल्ड. सो देन आफ्टर शी स्टार्टेड गेटिंग लेटर्स, पर्ल्स, शी वॉज अ बिट कन्फ्यूज. तो वो जो है डॉक्टर वॉटसन, he sees and he feels somehow this lady is quite sober, quite decent, but his condition is very bad. She is so much confused, she needs assistance desperately, and his condition is somewhat similar to me. Like that he started thinking. Holmes had a competence about the route of their travel, suggests some points to clarify the state. Abhi Sherlock Holmes came to know that those people who had killed Bartholomew Sholto, they had run away through the water route, Thames River. So now how do you know that he was competent for this travel? Because we can see that he started inquiring from the people who lived near Thames River, and he got the information that they have hired Aurora boat. तो he came to know that इसका speed काफ़ी अच्छा है, तो they will run away with a faster speed. So तो उनको पहुँचने के लिए to catch them they will need a high speed boat. So he hired police steamboat. And he also tried to collect the information from the people staying around Thames River, so that he comes to know whenever he tries to run away, that wooden-legged man जिसने treasure लेके भाग रहा था, तो he knew all these and he tried to reach them. So that is what we come to know, that he was quite competent about the route of their travel. The mention of new places add a pace to the story, justify. Abhi when they were Sherlock Holmes, Mary Watson, Dr. Watson, they were going together for in relation to that solving the case of his father's missing and about those pearls and about those letters. So first they were called to Lyceum Theatre, then afterwards the coachman takes them to Thaddeus Sholto's place, then to Bartholomew, then to Thames. So like this they keep moving from one place to another. So various routes and all Sherlock Holmes enjoys, and he keeps remembering. So this is all experience that adds to the beauty of the story. Miss Watson found Holmes as right person to handle her case. Give reason. अभी मैरी मॉटसन को क्यों लग रहा था कि शर्लॉक होम्स उसका केस अच्छे से कर पाएंगे? Because Mary Watson had heard about the Holmes. He was very good detective. Also, her employer, Mrs. Cecil Forrester's case was solved by Detective Sherlock Holmes very nice. So she sent her employee Mary to Sherlock Holmes. बहुत कुछ सुना था. और ऑल्सो जहाँ पे नौकरी करती थी मैरी, उसकी बॉस ने भी उसको बोला कि इज़ द राइट पर्सन, उसको रेफरेंस मिला, दैट इज़ वेयर शी गोज देयर. राइट द करेक्टर स्केच ऑफ डॉक्टर वॉटसन एज अ सेंसिटिव करेक्टर. वो बहुत सेंसिटिव थे. क्यों? बिकॉज ही वॉज वेरी एम्पथेटिक. उसको सहानुभूति थी मैरी के लिए, उसको ईज मैरीज एंग्जाइटी को उसको ईज करना चाहता था, उसको शांत करना चाहता था, कंफर्ट देना चाहता था. हिज नेचर वॉज लविंग, ही वॉज एडवेंचर लाइकिंग. He helped Sherlock Holmes. He was a keen observer. He was very inquisitive to know certain things which he couldn't solve. So like this, he was very sensitive character. The paper found in the desk of Captain Watson is the center of action. क्योंकि वो जो इन्फॉर्मेशन मिला था, लेटर मिला था, उस पर लिखा था साइन ऑफ द 4. इट हैड अ मैप, इट हैड नेम्स ऑफ 4 पीपल. तो वही है जिसके ऊपर इन लोगों ने ढूंढना चालू किया. उनको पता चला कि ये ट्रेजर है. सो इट इज़ द सेंटर ऑफ एक्शन. आई मे बी वेरी ऑब्ट्यूस. Obtuse यानी slow. Holmes, but I fail to see what this suggests. Justify the statement by highlighting the difference in deducing the case. अभी शर्लॉक होम्स तो एक हैंड राइटिंग में से भी समझ जाते थे कि ये सेम आदमी का नहीं है कि नहीं है. लेटर और ये एनवेलप जिसमें पर्ल आता है उस पर जो हैंड राइटिंग लिखी है और लेटर की हैंड राइटिंग सेम आदमी भेज रहा है कि कोई और भेज रहा है, या फिर वो फुट मार्क से समझ जाता है, एरो से समझ जाता है कि ये किसका है, अंडमान के पीपल का है. लेग के जो पैर के निशान है, एक लेग इसकी है, वुडन की है. तो लाइक ही यूज्ड टू ऑब्जर्व द केस वेरी माइन्यूटली एंड ही यूज्ड टू कम टू द कंक्लूजन. बट वेयर एज डॉक्टर वॉटसन हिज असिस्टेंट वॉज नॉट दैट इंटेलिजेंट. सो वो उसको बोलता है मैं भी ऑब्ट्यूज, मैं तो बहुत स्लो हूँ कंपेयर टू यू, मुझे तो इतना जल्दी नहीं समझ में आता है. सो दिस वॉज द थिंग. बिकॉज न्यूज़पेपर एक्सेट्रा फुट मार्क से शर्लॉक होम्स को पता चल जाता था, बट इसको नहीं पता. बोला ही वॉज अ बिट स्लो. Find support from the text which elaborates the tone of the narrator when he compares himself with Miss Watson. अभी मिस वॉटसन जब ही आती है शर्लॉक होम्स के पास केस लेके, तो ये जो डॉक्टर वॉटसन भी वहाँ पे बैठ रहते हैं, उसको देख के उसको लगता है ही फील्स वेरी सिंपैथेटिक टुवर्ड्स मैरी. ही फील्स पिटी ऑन हर. उसको लगता है ये अकेली लड़की है, इसकी कंडीशन बहुत ख़राब है, समहाउ ये मुझसे रिसेंबल करती है, मेरे जैसी है, मेरी भी कंडीशन ऐसी थी. तो ही स्टार्ट्स he starts comparing himself with Mary Watson. The narrator makes Miss Watson's journey comfortable while going to the unknown place. Narrate in your own words. अभी नरेटर कौन है? ये इसका स्टोरी का, नॉवल का डॉक्टर वॉटसन, जो कि शर्लॉक होम्स के असिस्टेंट है. तो जब भी केस को सॉल्व करने के लिए तीनों जन घूमते रहते हैं, तो वो मिस मैरी वॉटसन शी वॉज इन स्ट्रेस, शी वॉज इन एंगजाइटी, शी वॉज डिस्टर्ब. बट नरेटर जो है वॉटसन इज ट्राइज टू मेक her very happy by telling her reminiscence of Afghanistan adventure, जो वहाँ पे गए थे, कुछ anecdotes, stories, jokes सब जो है उसको बताते रहता है. He was quite busy in keeping Miss Watson occupied, busy so that he can change her mood. But whereas Sherlock Holmes जो थे पूरे रास्ते ढूंढना, नाम याद करना, उसमें ही busy थे. But Watson का पूरा ध्यान था कि वो मैरी वॉटसन को इन्वॉल्व रखे, खुश रखे, कुछ ऐसी बातें बताए कि उसका मूड अच्छा हो जाए. द कोचमैन इज डिस्क्राइब्ड एज अ फेथफुल सर्वेंट. जस्टिफाई द स्टेटमेंट इन योर वर्ड्स. अभी जब लिसियम थिएटर के यहाँ पे तीनों जन गए थे, शर्लॉक होम्स, डॉक्टर वॉटसन एंड मैरी, तो वहाँ पे एक कोचमैन आया था उनको लेने के लिए. तो इट इज़ आस्क्ड कि हाउ डू यू नो ही वाज अ फेथफुल सर्वेंट. अभी मैरी को बोला गया था कि लाइक व्हेन यू कम टू लिसियम थिएटर यू डोंट हैव टू बरी पुलिसमैन. इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग स्कैर्ड, इफ़ यू फील लाइक आई एम wrong person, then you can come along with 2 people so that you are safe, but see to it that you don't bring policemen. So when the coachman arrives, so these three were there. The coachman first confirms from Dr. Watson and Sherlock Holmes ki whether you are policeman. When they say no, then only he takes them to his master's place. So as per the instruction, he tried to do everything. He was quite decent in looking, quite good at talking. So it is guessed that he is a faithful servant. That is why वो इंश्योर किया, फिर ही उनको लेके गया. Holmes, Dr. Watson and Mary Molson reached at the third pillar of the Lyceum Theatre. Describe the state of mind of trio. Trio यानी all तीनों का condition वहाँ पे कैसे हो गया जब ये पहुँचे. All three reached at the third pillar of Lyceum. They find area was very crowded in front of a continuous stream of hansoms यानी horse cart थे वहाँ पे, and four-wheelers were rattling up. A small, dark, brisk man in dress of coachman accosted them. He confirms first if they were policemen, which they deny. He drives them in the carriage. They reach a place which is less fashionable part of London, Akka, a more run-down, working-class neighborhood. They are escorted inside by the servant. वहाँ पे लिसियम थिएटर पे पहुँचने के बाद कोचमैन उनको लेके गया थडर्सहोल्ड रोकी यहाँ पे. तो वहाँ पे बहुत क्राउडेड था, हॉर्स कार्ट थे, फोर व्हीलर थे, वेरी वेरी क्राउडेड. और वहाँ पे वर्किंग क्लास यानी कि पूरा ओल्ड पार्ट था लंदन का. सो दिस वाज द थिंग. Okay, so this covers all 18 questions from your question bank. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you for watching this video.